Homework Review 8.4c Graphing in Standard Form. Level 1. Question number 1, y equals x squared minus 6x plus 5 is going to be a minimum because a is equals 1. So this is a, that's equals 1. And a is one that is greater than 0. Which means the parabola going to opens up. It means that there is going to be a vertex that is all the way at the bottom. So the vertex is all the way at the bottom. So it's going to give you a minimum value. To find x equals negative b over 2a, you're going to plug it. So a equals 1, b equals negative 6, and c equals 5. The formula for finding x equals b over 2a for axis of symmetry. So if it is negative b over 2a, you make sure you put the bracket around everything that you're going to plug in. So here you're going to plug in b, that is negative 6. And on the bottom you're plugging it a, that is going to be 1. Negative 6 times negative would give you a positive 6 divided by 2, and x equals 3. So axis of symmetry, that is x value of vertex is 3. And it's a vertical line passing through 3. So this one is the vertical line passing through 3 is your axis of symmetry or line of symmetry. Plug value above into this equation to find y. So you're going to find y by plugging in x value. So y equals, this is x value. So put the bracket around x value, and now you're going to use the x value, that is 3. So here you're going to find x, and that is 3. And now solve this. 9 minus 18 plus 5. That's going to be negative 9 plus 5. And that is negative 4. Y-intercept is always 0, c. And in this equation, the c is the last number, and that is 5. So it means the y-intercept is 0, 5. You're going to plug this value 3, negative 4. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 3, negative 4. And if the number in front of x squared is 1, then you're going to follow the same pattern. The pattern was 1, 1, 2, 4, 3, 9. So there's going to be 1, 1. And we also know that the y-intercept is 0, 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is your next point as well. You can also apply 1, 1, 2, 4, and so on to get the points to graph. So this is going to be your graph of the standard equation that is given to you. For number 2, you're going to have a equals negative 1, that is less than 0. This is going to opens down parabola. It means this is going to give you a maximum because vertex is at the top. So a equals negative 1, b equals 4, and c equals negative 2. The formula is x equals negative b over 2a, and you're going to put the bracket around every number that you're going to plug in. So you're going to get here is b as -1. So here b is 4 and a is -1. You're going to get here is -4 over -2, and that's going to be 2. So x equals 2. So axis of symmetry is x equals 2, and you're going to plug this value into the given equation y equals -x squared plus 4 times x minus 2. Here you're going to plug it in x value, that is 2. So here it's going to be 2 and 2. So you're going to get here is -2 squared plus 4 times 2 minus 2. That is -4 plus 8 minus 2. So that's going to be 4 minus 2 is 2. The vertex is 2, 2, and y-intercept is 0, c, and then c is -2. So 0, -2. You're going to have the point 2, 2 is this one, and since it's going to be downward, so you're going to follow the pattern down 1 over 1 on the bottom side, and the next point is this one, that is your y-intercept, and mirror the point on the other side. That's going to be another point, this one. And now you're going to connect the points to get the parabola that opens down, and then you're going to get the maximum value, and that value is going to be the y coordinate of the vertex.